Good morning, all. Is it Wednesday? I know it's 1st of December. It's Wednesday, is it? Was it Tuesday? God, I don't know. I'm repairing roofs again today. It's more repairing roofs. Helping a fella. He works on his own, but he needs a hand. Helped him out the other day, repairing storm damaged roof. No, there's another one to do up the road. Yeah, bit of felt blew off the kitchen extension on someone's house. Something like that. I don't know. Usual thing. Took the gutter and went fucking Enbo or something. So no idea how long it'll take. Well, okay, so 4 hands better than 2. I'll be the tool fetcher. Fetch this, fetch that, fetch the other. Usual thing. Yeah, I know. Storm Arwen. Arwen, you bugger. I know an Arwen. He's living in Drwach. He wasn't a storm. He wasn't a storm at all. Very quiet fella. All right. A minute and a half for a change. Yeah.